Good day, ma'am. I am Ron Michael Nene, and today I will show you how I answered questions 1, 2, and 3. This video is divided into three parts, which is question 1, 2, and 3. And for now, we will answer question 1. And to answer question 1, we will have to demonstrate how I created this integrated circuit. For the first step, we will have to put three inputs, which will be which we will be labeling as A, B, and C. Then facing south, and then A, B, and C. Since the question in number one is from the video lecture SOP function, implement the circuit using NAND and the gate spreadsheet. So in here we will be only using NAND gates, and then we will have to face the face level malfunction, and then we will have to add some NAND gates. We copy and paste to have a efficient number of inputs. Since we only have two, there will be only two inputs. And then here, and then here, and the last NAND gate, which will be placed at the right side. Then we only have two inputs and an output here. So first, in the first NAND gate, we will have to input a C invert. What I mean is we will have to invert the input for C. And then to do that, we will have to input it here. Here first, and then will be placed here. I will be fixing this one. Adjust it here. And then this will be put it here to create an input which contains C prime. There we go. And then for the B, we will be placing it here. And there you go. And then for the A input, which will be placed in front of the C prime, since the first input is the negation of C input. And here, since C has no light in the first input, it was inverted, so it became light colored, and then this will be labeled as B prime, since it will be negated by the NAND gate, and we will be placing it here, and then a C input here on the lower side, and there you have it. And then for the next step, the to add con the two AND gates here in the next step, it will act as an AND since the NAND will be negated in this part. And then there we have it. Since A and C were inputted in this AND gate, it will result in like this AC prime. Since we both inputted A and C prime here in the previous NAND gate circuit, NAND gate. And then for the other gate, which will be B prime and C. And we will be naming it as B C prime. B prime C. B prime C. And then after that, we will be connecting it to the next NAND circuit. And this NAND circuit will uh, serve as the OR, NAND as OR. And then we will be placing it here and here. And then lastly, which will be the output. And we will be connecting it here. And then for the output there, which the output will be AC prime plus B prime C. Why plus? Because it is AND. And then to check if our gates are working supposedly, we will check it by following the table in the video lecture. For the first line, it will be A, B, and C 0, which has an output of 0. The next, the C input will have an input of 1, therefore it will have a 1. And then for the next line, which is B has an input of 1, the output is 0. And then for the next line, which is B and C has inputs of 1, therefore the output will be 0. And then for the next next line, which is A has an input of 1, the outcome will be 1. And then for A and C, it will be also 1. And then A and B, which will be also 1. And lastly, if you inputted 1 inputs in the circuit, therefore you will have a 0 output. That is all for question 1. Thank you for listening.